at Sentian. Make AI work for you. Testing out predictive maintenance, anomaly detection, or trying to optimize core processes for your Industry 4.0 projects without getting the results you hoped for? Bingo! This is just part of what we do at Sentian, a science-driven company focused on industrial AI. Working on complex problems in a cutting-edge field makes us tick. We spend lots of time following the evolution of AI and studying applied R&D cases. We believe domain expertise is key to helping our customers get a competitive advantage. We currently offer two products: Intelligent Control Optimization, where we put AI in core processes for manufacturing and process industries to improve yield and performance. We also offer a state-of-the-art anomaly detection and predictive maintenance solution that increases machine and plant availability. Both solutions are available in the cloud as AI as a service and on premises. With a senior team focused on cutting-edge AI, we have the power to solve your most complex problems. Make AI work for you. How? Get in touch.